Today we are at Mysuru Venugopala Swamy Temple. This temple was once submerged under the water when KRS Dam was built. Now it is rebuilt here in the same old style. The architecture looks very impressive because they tried to match the original ancient design. The stone carvings and the structure show how our ancestors built temples beautifully. Hats up to the people who rebuilt this temple so perfectly. The river and sunset view make this place looks like a heaven. It feels very peaceful and calm here.
Backside, this is Ratha. You know?
No, I don't know.
Hey, you know, you are Kannada. Then joint, hello?
Yeah. What they do?
Don't touch. Oh, this is, you know?
Gum tape?
Tape.
Baby
Baby kick.
Welcome to our show.
Yeah.
This boy.
Already I will welcome. Actually.
Yeah. Sorry for late welcome.
No problem, brothers. What happened here?
Yeah.
Here exactly Mysuru district. This place. Okay. Here, you know Madhurvadi.
Madhur, you know, I know Madhur. You know?
You know Madhurvadi?
Our audience is
very
to the audience.
tasty. You know, morning take that to vada. Vada.
You know vada?
That is different. Urdu vada.
Inside the vada, they will put Madhur. No?
Not Madhur.
Uh.
Madhur means like kind of
Ball.
Ball no.
Like cricket ball?
No. That is tooth ball.
Like chakli?
Chakli ball.
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay.
This is things are there.
Yeah.
Here sunset going down.
Wow, sun is going down.
Clearly see that sun going.
Yeah.
The Hasta.
Hasta.
Surya
Hasta.
Surya Hasta. No, not this Hasta. Hasta.
Hasta.
Okay. So, people video cut maninge. Thank you.
Our
Namaste,
cameraman
Mysuru.
is busy. Now we have decided to show you the sunset at Nimma Mysuru. Let's go. For one person, it will take 100 rupees.
Quickly go inside. Why you are wasting?
This is the entrance ticket we have got. This.
After visiting this temple, we went to the Mysuru water fountain at Brindavan Gardens. We enjoyed the musical water dance shows a lot. There are many tourists and children. The place looked like a festival with the lights and music.
The water show will start soon. Yappa! Jana.
There are many tourists and children. The place looked like a festival with the lights and music. This was our last place in this tour. While coming back, we shared our opinions and had fun, sung songs, and danced in the bus. Around 1 am, we reached Bangalore safely. This is one of the most memorable trips for us. I think this video has become a little long, so let's end it here. We will meet again in the next video. Until then, bye bye.